Hey everyone, so if you're new to Google Translate on mobile, or you just want to use it better, yeah, this guide will show you everything step by step. By the end, you'll know how to translate text, voice, and even images right from your phone. First, open the Google Translate app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet for full features. Now choose your source language, the one you're translating from, and your target language, the one you want to translate into. Type your text into the box, and Google Translate will instantly show the translation below. It's fast and works for most languages. Tap the microphone icon to speak instead of typing. This is perfect for quick translations or practicing pronunciation. You can also tap the camera icon to translate text from real-world objects like signs or menus. Just point your camera and it will translate instantly. Tap the conversation option to talk with someone in another language. In real time, it listens to both sides and translates instantly. Finally, you can download languages to use Google Translate without internet. Just tap a language and download it for offline access. And that's it. Now you know how to use Google Translate on your phone like a pro. Whether it's text, voice, or camera, you're all set.